In today's video, I want to teach you a secret 1-minute scalping strategy that is very easy and highly profitable. In this strategy, we have an excellent indicator that is a perfect choice for scalping trading strategies. Here, we click on indicators and we search linear regression candles. This one, which is written by someone named UGURVU. Alright, this is the indicator. And as you can see, we have another set of candles that are overlaid on the price chart. Let me turn off the indicator. This is our candlestick chart, and let me turn it on again. And these are candles generated by this indicator. Generally, they look like each other, but this indicator's candles are smoother and we don't see noises. For example, on candlestick chart, here we have a noise and also here, but on the candles generated by the help of this indicator, we don't see any noises, just consecutive red and green candles. We double click on the candlestick chart and we remove the components of the candles from our chart because we don't need them. And in this strategy, we need these candles that are generated from this indicator. Alright, as you can see, we have smoother candles with much lower noises. In this term, it's a kind of similar to Heikin-Ashi candles, but it's totally different. These candles are opened and closed just similar to a regular candlestick chart, and they are calculated by the help of linear regression. In case if you don't know what linear regression is, in statistics, it's a predictive model that is used to estimate the value of a variable based on the value of another variable. It's a linear approach, and because of this, it can help us to calculate trends because it offers a better estimate of trends. As you can see, we have a smoother and less noisy candles. We have also a moving average line, which by default is set at 11. For our strategy, we change it to 5, so it will be more responsive to the price action. And the next indicator that we want to add is MACD. This one, moving average convergence divergence, and for this indicator we need to change its settings. Here for the fast length we set it at 34, and for the slow length we set it at 144. And then here in the style tab we remove MACD line and signal line. Everything is already set on the chart, and before we start the strategy, please give this video a like, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. Alright, this is a 1-minute scalping strategy. So here we set the chart time frame on 1 minute. This is the price chart of euro to US dollar, but you can use this trading strategy on any other asset or market. The only requirement in terms of the asset or market is trading volume and liquidity, because this is a scalping strategy and the profit and loss that we're going to take are very small in terms of price movement. So there should be no unreal price gap or large spread between bid and ask prices that can damage our trade entry, stop loss and profit. Alright, trading based on this strategy is very easy, and you just need to be focused on the signals that you get from these indicators. We use this MACD to help us with the trend of the market. When it's red, the market is trending down, and when it's green, the market is trending up. And then by the help of this indicator, we identify pullbacks and end of the pullbacks. When MACD histogram is red, indicating the market is trending down, and this indicator, we wait for the times that candles go above the line. This shows a probable pullback. Then if we get a candle closed back below the moving average line, it shows end of the pullback and signaling for opening a short position. So we can enter a short position here at this point. The stop loss for this trade is placed above the previous swing high, and take profit order for this trade is set at the level that makes risk to reward ratio equals 2. And you can see that the price declined down to this point, providing a very profitable trade. After this trade, here again you can see that the candles went above the moving average line and then here came back and closed below the moving average line. So we can enter a short position here at this point. The stop loss for this trade is placed above the previous swing high and the profit at risk to reward ratio of 2. Alright, here you can see that the candles again went above the moving average line, but this time an extended move, and you can see that MACD changed color, and at the time that we get this candle below the moving average line, the MACD histogram is green. So no short position here at this point. From here you can see that the MACD became green, showing that we are in an uptrend, and in this situation we wait for the times that the candles go below the moving average line, and then when we get a candle above the moving average line, it shows that the pullback ended. So we can enter a long position here at this point. The stop loss for this trade is placed below the previous swing low and the profit at a risk to reward ratio of 2. After this trade you can see that the candles again went below the moving average average line, but at the time that we got a candle closed above the moving average line, the MACD histogram is red, so no long position here. Moving forward on the chart, from here the MACD histogram became red, showing we are in a downtrend and we must look for short position opportunities. We wait for the candles to go above the moving average line, and when we get a candle closed back below the moving average line, the trade is confirmed and we can enter a short position here. And as you can see, this is a profitable trade. After this trade, you can see that the candles again went above the moving average line. Here we got the candle closed back below the moving average line, so another short position opportunity here at this point. The stop loss above the previous swing high, and as you can see, this trade is also a profitable trade. But after this trade here, you can see that we got another confirmed signal, a signal for opening a short position, because you can see that the candles went above the moving average line and then we got a candle closed back below the moving average line. The MACD histogram is red, so in practice we would enter a short position here, but as you can see, the price went up and hitting our stop loss. And this is an important point that you must pay attention. No trading strategy gives you 100% guaranteed signals, so you need to manage your risk properly so you can protect your account. There is a risk management strategy that is called 1% rule, and it's a perfect risk management strategy to be used for scalping trading strategies. I have a complete guide on this. The link is also placed in the description, and I highly recommend you to watch it, because without a proper risk management strategy, you cannot become a successful trader. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new video. See you guys in next video, and good luck with your trading.